My name is Ganit Goldstein. I'm a 3D fashion designer. When I'm designing, I want to tell a story without any words. I was selected as one of 10 designers for Rethink Fashion as part of Re-FREAM grant. My mission is to make a hybrid world of craft methods and latest development of 3D multicolor printing using PolyJet technology, connecting all the new, past and future techniques. As part of my studies, I spent a year in Japan to learn ikat weaving, and I was inspired by Asian craft of embroidery and textile paintings. Japanese embroidery is the soul of the project, and 3D printing is the future. Looking at the world today, I wanted to introduce a new way of manufacturing, move away from mass production to unique custom design.
2, 1.
For that, I cooperated with the most advanced tech companies.
In this project, I'm also working with Ganit Goldstein with 3D scanning and 3D printing. It has more value to the user's eye because it's tailor-made, so really made specially for them, and it has also a bigger emotional value.
And there was really great outcome, not just only in the prototypes of the projects, but also in the team development.
Presenting a new way to manufacture requires a new kind of textile. The latest developments combine 3D multicolor PolyJet technology printed directly on fabric. During the past year, I experimented with many fabric and different technologies to incorporate 3D printing and textiles.
We can really work with the textile as a skeleton of the garment, and this allows us some movement into the textile. This allows us a full game between the capacity and the material thickness that we print on top of the textile, and I think this is the place of the charm. Going broader, integrating different solutions. In return, it's very important that we challenge also our own technology to do things that we have not done before. Ganit chose to stay with a certain parametric structure that has been enabling her to realize a composition between the craft and the novelty of 3D printing.
The technology of full-color printing on fabric invented by Stratasys a few years ago in this lab.
And what is unique to Stratasys is that we are using our voxel print technology.
It's a completely new way to make fashion, to make new design, new capabilities.
Thanks to all my great partners, we can not only design in 3D, which automatically creates our 2D layout, we can make a wearable 3D garments.
And it's very important that in fashion we reformulate what actually is fashion.
Our creation can now be shared by using virtual reality application with our colleagues and customers in a full 3D environment.
And I think in this context, Ganit's work is a very interesting contribution with regards to aesthetics and applied processes.
I think that we have a very wonderful dialogue with Ganit, and it is visible also in the result.
I truly believe that for the fashion industry, it's a game changer.